Hey guys, doing a little bit of yard work out here with some DeWalt Cordless tools. On the chainsaw, I got the DCCS 620 with the flex volt battery. And for the blower, I got the DCBL 722 also with a big beefy battery. You got to use big batteries when you're using heavy duty stuff like that. I'm cutting this 15, 18 inch in diameter chaparral yucca. It's big, thick, nasty. And like Bob's wife, it's got Danson and Highsmith's fingerprints written all over it. Good reference from the other guys. Let's see how this thing works. So you got the blower. All right, as you can see, these things got plenty of juice, plenty of power. Just use the bigger batteries and you'll be good to go. Take care. All right, guys, as you can see, I got this thing cut out. It took a little bit more than 1 minute, and obviously for a short video, I wanted to keep it under a minute. But these tools really came in handy. This thing was every bit of almost 1.5 feet in diameter, and this saw went through like a knife through hot butter, no joke. Like I said, the key is you got to use bigger batteries when you're using heavy-duty applications. There's just no way around it. These smaller batteries are not going to give you any shelf life to speak of. So flex volt battery, you got the 8 amp battery on the blower, and this big thing is out. Now Archie has a clear runway to the pool when he does his jumps. I throw the ball in there, he takes off, I'll get some video. This guy jumps out of the gym, kind of like Mac McClung. Not too bad. Anyway, more to come later. Take care. Look at that.